Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you the easiest way to catch the friendly lobster in the classic event of Fish It. Friendly lobster is an epic fish used in daily quests like this, and then next you can find in on the classic island, specifically at Iron Cavern and Iron Cave. Both spots are on the new classic island, but take a note, Iron Cavern is only accessible if you are level 200 or above, and if you are not sure how to get in, just check the video link in the descriptions to watch the tutorial. And then next for the tricks, since Friendly Lobster is epic, just use at least an epic rod like Steampunk or maybe a legendary rod like Hazmat. And for the bait, just use Midnight bait or maybe higher to increase your chance. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!